So far we've seen that having money brings us confidence, but what happens when we lose money?
We all know that the odds are stacked against you when you're gambling, but recently we've been reminded that investing in the city can be just as big a gamble.
But what do the highs and lows of trading actually do to body and brain? Often touted as a get-rich-quick scheme, day trading involves buying and selling financial products on the same day. I've come to the City of London to give it a go and see what it does to me.
Hi. Well, how are you doing?
Nice to meet you.
Good.
I understand you're going to let me have a go at trading.
Absolutely, yeah. Take a seat and I'll take you through it.
But first I have to try and get my head around it.
This is below the market bids. This is above the market offers. One tick is $12.50 per one contract. If you're trading 10 contracts, then it's 100.
With my heart rate monitor strapped to my chest, I'm keen to see firsthand the effects trading has on my mind and body.
It's called open trade equity. You'll see it change as the market moves.
Okay. Clear as mud.
Okay.
Here's my heart rate monitor. I'm currently on 85 to 92 beats per minute. This is a receiver for the heart rate monitor that's actually on my chest. I've now learnt a little bit about trading in the futures market. I've pretty much got my head around what I'm supposed to do. And now, I'm going to give it a go. I want to buy because I think it's going to go up. And I know you told me not to pick bottoms.
Okay.
So if I buy 50, $1,000 worth of business. Does
Give
that
it a
work?
go.
Okay, $1,000 has been spent. My heart rate is 92, so it's gone up a little. Now that I'm in the moment, I've completely forgotten all the theory.
The green line is where you bought.
And currently it's down.
Currently the market is down here.
So if I were to sell at this point,
You would lose $1,500.
my heart rate monitor is showing that I'm not happy about that. What's happening right now? Because I feel like I have absolutely no control over this situation and everything's extremely uncertain. My body is releasing lots of cortisol. Now that's the stress hormone. Now that might sound bad, but actually cortisol in small doses helps you to maintain your focus on a situation and increases your alertness. So that's going to help me, hopefully, to regain control of this situation, deal with the stressful situation and make some money. It's gone up. And look, super cool. Oh no, I'm even more excited. 100, okay, it's going through the roof because I've made, if I were to sell now, half of what I almost lost. Can I sell now so that I can just make some money?
Yep. Okay. If
Did we do it?
Sell now, then you've made just over $3 grand.
Do it! Do it! Have you done it?
Yep.
I made $3 grand. Oh. Guys like this, when they start the day with high levels of testosterone, higher than normal, they tend to make more money. Now that might sound odd, but when you've got high levels of testosterone, it boosts your confidence and it makes you fearless. Now in small amounts that's good, but if you've got too much testosterone swimming around your body, you become impulsive and irrational in your decision making. Time for my second trade. The market is currently 10.45.
That's correct.
I'm going to buy. So
that's just come through and you can see you're long right where the green line is there. And the market's just coming down at the moment.
If I sold now, I would lose $3,000. What should I do?
Take it off.
No, because I've got to wait. Don't I have to wait? What do I do? Shouldn't I wait a bit longer and hope that it recovers?
No, I don't think you ever really want to, put your faith in hope.
I don't know enough about this whole game to know what is the... Oh my God, it just got so much worse. It's the worst it's been all day. I bought here against Will's advice, and look how far down it's gone. If I'd gone from here to here, if I'd waited for another 30 seconds, I'd have lost $6 grand. The value of the stock has absolutely plummeted. So I lost $3,000. If I'd hung on longer and sold right now, I'd have lost $15,000. Oh, $18,000. I just made quite a significant loss, and I don't feel very happy about that. Now the thing is, the devastation that we feel when we lose a certain amount of money far outweighs the buzz we get out of gaining the same amount of cash. It's all down to the way the brain's reward centers work, with really exaggerated lows in response to losses compared to the highs we get from making a profit. We're really really loss averse. So, my heart rate's down to 85 beats per minute after a very exciting day. I'm clearly now relaxed, and the net loss was
It's around $300 all in all.
$300 all in all.
But I have to tell you it was on the simulator, so it wasn't real money.
Oh, really?
Yes.
I thought you were a bit of a mug to be letting me lose your money, but obviously not. I think at the end of the day, I can walk away from this wonderful day not feeling guilty that I've lost you a penny, and I prefer it that way.
Well done.
Thank you.
Thanks.
Real pleasure. Of course, no one likes losing. And we've seen why. The brain's hardwired to find losing extremely unpleasant. But what about professional gamblers?
They say that